I'm so excited for today's painting. It's going to be really special for me. It's my first, I guess you can say, of doing it this way. I've been working with a certain color combination and I haven't been really getting the results that I've been hoping for, so that's why I'm going to try this new technique tonight. So I will be using some Purple Flash Color Shift as well as some Aqua Flash Color Shift. Some metallic lemon yellow from Artist Loft, primary magenta from Amsterdam, my black is Artist Loft, as well as my white. So everything has water, Floetrol. I think everything also has silicone, except for my black and my white. So I'm going to have a white background, I'm going to blow a little bit, and I'm going to spin a little bit. So hopefully I get an outcome that comes closer to what I'm looking for. So here goes.